What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Swerve here with another video. And as y'all can see, I just left the gas station. And this is gonna be my first POV vid after the tune. So hopefully I like how the car sounds. Make sure I like, comment, subscribe. We are now at about 700 horsepower, somewhere around there. Y'all hear that sound? Y'all hear how that bad boy sounding? Let me roll the windows down a little bit. Shit sounds beautiful. Beauty. But yeah, man, make sure I like, comment, subscribe. I'm about to go to the bank right now. Let me go to the farthest bank. This ain't that far. I want to hit some highways real quick. Shot. I think I'm gonna do this. Instead of the windows, we're gonna do this on. Hopefully I got a good angle. You see what he was jacking. Shit sounds amazing. Holy shit. Gotta love the tune, man. Gotta love the tune, man. It's raining. It's fucking raining, dog. But yeah, man, make sure I like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications. We are at 700 horsepower to the wheel skis. 700 horsepower to the fucking wheel now. Stage 2 tune, got my downpipes in. Right now, that's all we got. Muffler delete, res delete, that's why it sounds like that. But I want to get a custom catback exhaust. So yeah, this I'm gonna do less talking in this video. I'm gonna just make y'all enjoy more of the sound. Yeah, hopefully I got a good angle. Let me try to scoot down because I know I'm a little tall. I'm not your average car guy. I'm a little tall, so I know y'all niggas mostly be short. That's why y'all POV videos be looking so good. Fuck it. Should I let the rain come in, or should I roll the windows down a little bit? Like, this shit sounds so good. Holy shit. shit. Highway. I get off soon anyway. Getting off right here. Barely getting any highway action. Barely getting any fucking highway action. We about to go on vacation soon, so. Oh shit. It's raining, child. It's raining bad. I just drove into the rain over here. Holy shit. Oh, it's dripping in the car. What the fuck? Chat. Why wanna rain on my POV vid, chat? Why they want to do that to me, chat? Oh, I might have greased this guy right here. Holy shit. Okay, we still popping and banging in the rain, no matter. I can't floor it. Like, why? Why, y'all? Like, this is Houston for you. Like, I guess this is cool. Go from sunny to pouring in the same video within 5 minutes. It's ridiculous. Let me scoot down too so you get a better angle. And then this is ridiculous, y'all. Ridiculous. We still gonna drop this POV. Should I do rainy POV? I might title this rainy POV. Does this look good? It might. Let me scoot down a little more, angle it down a little more as well, maybe. Can I see more of the windshield and less of this? That's really my goal. I want to show more of that. Ooh, I might have fucked it up. Let me check again. I'm hearing some. Yeah, it's dead ass pouring, bro. It's 4:43 p.m. Yo, if y'all look at bro running in the rain, like I'm telling you, bipolar, bro. Shit probably not showing on the weather app. Then once it start raining, then it want to show that it's raining. Like, shit is stupid, bro. Shit that ass stupid, bro. If y'all don't got one of these, invest in one of these. But I might get rid of this so I get a radar and plug it in here. But I also seen someone like get a radar, wire it through this so it could connect through this. The same way how this has like, you know, power. Wire it, plug it in through here so it's not no long wire. But if I don't do that, then this is gonna have to go. But this, look, iPhone charge, pull it out, retract, like, come on, bro. They not paying me to sponsor that. That's TikTok. Who honking like that? How am I supposed to get in there? I missed the turn to get in there? Oh yeah, I was supposed to go back there. It's gonna be a rainy period. Like, being short is ass. Like, scooting down, being down here, this is terrible, bro. Like, I feel bad for y'all short niggas. How tall are most of y'all in the comments? Comment your age down in the comments, bro. I need to know how tall the niggas are watching my video. I'm 6'3". That ass pouring, bro. Like OD. Like, how they expect me to fit through that? Oh shit, my head. Oh. You see, look, if you're short, you gotta really jump up to probably see that. Nigga like me, all I gotta do is be regular, bro. Actually stopped raining a lot. Yeah, man. Big plans coming. I seen a couple people asking if I was gonna lower my car soon. I seen a few people asking me if I was gonna lower my car. And yeah, I am gonna lower my car, but oh, this is the shoe hospital shit. Try to roll the windows down a little bit again. But yeah, I'm gonna lower my car, but right now I'm just like, I'm just waiting. Cause like, there's certain moments where when I go over certain things, it's like, why would I lower my car? But it looks way better when you lower the car, bro. Is you going? This nigga, does this nigga know how to drive? But yeah, lowering the car makes it look so much better. But there be certain times where I don't be wanting to do that. Cause like, I'm gonna switch up how much I drive, like, I don't know. But I'm gonna lower it. I'm just waiting on the right time. I don't know when the right time is, but I'm just waiting. But damn, it's still raining, but it was pouring earlier. I can't even really get a good drive in VR. We got little pops. When I say a little pops, like I don't got a tune now. But yeah, I'm gonna do less talking and let my car do more of the talking now. My car is an actual talker. Tunnel. But yeah, downpipe tune. Still need to get some intakes, front mount in specific. Should I go turbo on them, y'all? Let me know down in the comments if I should get a turbo. But yeah, I would have made this video longer if it wasn't raining. But it's raining, you know? Kill the whole vibe, low key. Why is it so clear here? Been to a few car meets. Niggas just jogging the car. That's all I'm saying now. I don't want to floor it too much because, you know, it's wet. But yeah. Front mount intakes, all that good stuff. I'm going on vacation though, so That's really why I'm filming this video. By the time I drop this video, I'm either on vacation or I'm coming off of vacation. Hold on. But yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, I'll probably be on, what time, what's today? Today's July 28th. I'm going to drop this video, I don't know. It won't be in July though, for sure. It would definitely be August by the time this video comes out. I go to vacation somewhere around the 7th, so yeah, whenever this video drops, feel me? That's when I have my tune. Y'all seen the tune video, I'm assuming. If y'all didn't watch the tune video, and this is the first video y'all are clicking, go watch the video of me getting the tune. What's going on there? Lovely. But yeah, man, it's gonna be a quick vid. I don't know how long we're at right now, but shouldn't be that long. I still got my check engine light on though, but my check engine light is from the muffler delete. I don't have the active exhaust plugged in. I need to get a new steering wheel soon. New steering wheel plus the tune is gonna make the vids extra fire. You running from the gunshots? Nah, but yeah, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on those post notifications if y'all new to the channel. It's gonna be the end of the video. I'm about to make, oh wow, gotta blur that. I'm about to make my way home, and then, yeah, you're gonna see you on the next one.